Alright guys, today in this episode of Shed Wars, we're going to be going over some things with my garden. And looky there, boom! It's like a rainforest in here. But we do have some problems. My lettuce is doing fantastic, except for a couple of them. A couple of these right here, for some reason, it's not doing so hot. So I don't know what the deal is there, if that's like a sunlight issue or what. But the rest of these are doing great. They got great color to them. My sunflower is taking off nicely. The other plants that I did, the other little seedlings that I had, and we still got plenty of peppers coming through, but unfortunately we got a couple issues. We got one of them being just absolutely every pepper plant is overrun with these stupid aphids, and I spray them every other day with neem oil, and I've tried insecticides, diatomaceous earth, and you can see all the dead ones down here from where I spray them, and they just keep coming back, and they're just like all over these plants. I don't know how well you can see it, but so I don't know what to do. I'm going to keep spraying, try to keep it under control. You can see our tomato plants reaching the ceiling now, going crazy. Our cucumber plant's taking off. It's running over the bucket. It's got plenty of flowers, nice looking flowers to it. Some cucumbers developing. So, since I can't really get to the side of this, I'm going to to spray it down the way I should. I got a solution. I'm going to take the sides off of these. You can see what this one looks like that I took outside here. They all look like that. Look at that. It's nuts. You can see my containers didn't do very good. I still got a couple in this one. Most of them died. My green beans aren't looking very good. They're kind of shriveling up. None of the other ones sprouted, except for this guy. He's trying to sprout. These guys did fine. They're all still alive. And then most of these did all right. They're taking off. But you can see I have plenty of seedlings to replace them with, though. Those are seeds that I planted. I think they're mostly pumpkin. And they're just taking off like crazy. And these are still growing good, so I'll have those to put in there after a while. So I'm going to spray these down. I'm going to take one of these panels out so I can get to these. I'm just going to leave it off because I think that's high enough. I don't have to worry about much of anything messing with it. So there we go. We got the side open, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's nuts. They're all over my plants. Look at them. They're just murdering my plants. And look at all the dead ones from where I've been spraying. So, I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do. They're just especially crowded over here for some reason. I'm going to have to take these plants out and wash them, I think. There's just too many of them. Wow, it's nuts. You can see I got plenty of nice little peppers growing. Growing all over the place. But this is an issue. Oh, this guy here is broken, I think. Yeah, he's kind of broken. They're getting, these ones were ones that were sitting down on the bottom and they got real stringy. Now they won't stay up. Well, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. And they've got tons of bugs. I'm going to have to go through and wash everything down. It's ridiculous. I got to do this every week. Frustrating. And I got to figure out something here too, because it's the same thing over here. Look at this weird, like, Frankenstein lettuce plant, too. I need to get rid of that. But these guys are so... I don't think they're getting enough sun. They're, like, so stringy, they won't stay up. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to support them. And I'm going to have to go through and wash these guys off. Alright, so we got the other side off here, and you can see these are also they got a little bit on them, but they got quite a few white flies on them, but not nearly as bad as the other side. But these suckers won't stay up by themselves, so what I'm going to do is what most people do, but they just do it a lot sooner. I'm going to cut the tops off these guys and just see what happens to them, because only one of them's got peppers on it right now, and they're not going to stay up the way they are, so really need to do something here. Oh man. If they die, it's not that big a deal. Man, I can't even tell where a plant ends and begins here. So let's grab our scissors and do this. I don't know why or how, but look how much nutrient those guys sucked up. Jesus. Look at that. There's nothing left in here. So I'm going to have to refill that. That's the only one like that. But these are the ones that I grew from seed, so they've got pretty stout root systems. So that might be part of the problem why they're getting a little stringy. They're barely getting any water. Huh. Well, that goes to show you, make sure you check all your containers. Well, I'll give these a good spray down here. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I was going to top them, but I don't know if it's going to make much of a difference. I topped one of them. I don't really want to top it when it's already flowering, do I? This lettuce has got to go. We're going to get rid of the lettuce. Look how weird that lettuce is. I've chopped it off like 3 or 4 times. No need to keep going with that. And then I've got 2 empty slots now, so I think we can space them a little better. I think we might just put this guy outside. That way if it rains, it's not that big a deal because they're using up so much water. Alright guys, so I ended up just kind of topping most of these things because the foliage is so ate up with aphids. I mean, all these leaves are dead. I mean, you can just see what I'm dealing with here. It's just crazy. I didn't really touch these. These are alright. They're not too bad. I just sprayed them down. But even them they still got quite a bit. So I guess I'll just keep spraying. I mean, I guess I'll just have to spray every day because every other day is not working. And these are getting too tall. A lot of these are falling over. So I don't know. We'll see if topping them makes them a little more bushy and stand them up a little better. It'll be interesting to see what happens when you top one with it fruiting already. That's what we did. Now I move these down over here and put a table in here since I can get to these from the side now. So and I'll just put those panels back up there and just let them snap into place because I got screws along the top and bottom here, so I can just sit it in there, it'll stay. So I don't know, at least my cucumber plant's doing really well. I just don't know what to do about the aphid problem. Doing my best. And then we're going to take these and plant them in here. And take these and plant them. Then I'm going to take that container there and make another hydroponic station to put these little couple seedlings that I have in here. So I think I'll be able to move this back far enough, but I think I'm going to try to fit one more on here. We'll see if I can do it. Alright guys, so there you have it. We topped a bunch of our pepper plants. We'll see how they do. Sprayed everything down real good. Planted all the seedlings and stuff that I had. Planted them all up through there. Let them go wild. And then the other ones that I had left in the Rockwell cubes, I planted in here. I still got to put some aluminum foil on it, but there it is. This table, it folds out, so I folded it out. So there you go. I think that's going to be about it for this one. I'll show you one more thing, because I know everybody likes to see this stuff. This is Mater, my tomato plant. And this is his root system. Get you out of here, buddy. There we go. Boom. So, on that note, I'm going to end it here. Hopefully I can get these aphids under control. Hopefully my pepper plants all recover nicely. I have a good feeling they will. I'll just continue spraying. I might use some diatomaceous earth maybe again. But I'll just keep spraying every day until I get them. I don't know. I'm open to any suggestions. I've tried a bunch of stuff. People have talked about neem oil and diatomaceous earth and different insecticides and stuff. So I've tried them all, and they all work. I mean, they really all do. They all kill them, but I just can't seem to hold them at bay, or I just can't seem to eliminate them. And I just wait 2 days, and then it goes into crap. So I just need to wait, or I just need to keep up with it, I guess, better. Keep spraying them until I get it under control again. So that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for watching.